I need to tell you something important today. I see it all the time. Smart, hard-working people who just can't break through. People who try everything but still fall short of success. After years of working with clients, I've identified exactly why this happens. It comes down to three brutal truths. First, you can't see what you can't see. Your mind has filters. These aren't just preferences. They're actual blindfolds created by your past, your childhood, your traumas, your beliefs. They've built invisible walls around what you can perceive. I've watched people walk straight into disasters they never saw coming. Not because they're stupid, but because their filters literally prevented them from seeing the reality in front of them. Second, you're using outdated tools. When challenges arise, I watch people reach for familiar solutions that have no chance of working. You're trying to navigate today's complex world with yesterday's outdated manual. It doesn't matter how comfortable your approach feels. What matters is whether it actually works. And I'm telling you directly, your comfortable methods are failing you. Third, your emotions are sabotaging your actions. Even when you know what to do, I see your fears, anger, and resentments blocking you from taking action. These emotional charges aren't just feelings. They're prison bars keeping you trapped. Every time you let emotion override effective action, your problems multiply. I've seen small, fixable issues grow into life-destroying monsters because people couldn't move past their emotional reactions. Now, I can show you a better way. I've developed a method that bypasses these limitations using the power of your subconscious mind. This isn't positive thinking or feel-good visualization. This is deep, transformative work. Every Tuesday, I gather a small group to teach this method. No complicated techniques, just straightforward approaches that help you. Demolish the filters, creating your blind spots. Access actual solutions that work in today's world. Remove the emotional charges blocking your action. The cost is $290 per month. That's nothing compared to what you're losing by staying stuck. Join my Tuesday group now. Reply below to secure your spot. And finally, problems don't age well. What costs $1,000 to fix today will bury you tomorrow. The time to act is now.